Welcome, waffles. Today we're on the waffles. So, immediately, I'm going to tell you who I am, Sierra. If you're not familiar with my other videos, check them out. You might want to go straight to the pizza because I'm working with the spelt, and you can get a simple, true idea of what's going on in there, especially in regards to what's going on in here. Today we're using two of the same ingredients, that's chicken and waffles. Ooh, yeah, I'm putting chicken on mine today. I do eat chicken. I heard an E40 song. He was like, if I go vegan, I'm gonna still eat chicken. I was like, I'm live to that because I still eat it. I'm gonna do some oyster mushrooms on another video, some air fried oyster mushrooms, but today I just have chicken. Spelt flour using the same brand, the Arrow Mills. I'm gonna be using a few fruits to top off the waffle as well. I got some fresh strawberries, really good looking today. Some blackberries, my favorite fruit for sure. So ripe strawberries are super helpful in extracting DNA because the pectases and the cellulases help detract and get all the DNA out of there, like we may have done in a biology class. I know I did. Shout out to them for showing me. Now I can see the enzymes that take apart the fruit that I eat every day. A relief from high blood pressure. The strawberries are wonderful for helping with gout. If you have, that's a type of arthritis, by the way. The malic acid in the strawberries help your teeth. You can even mix it up with some coconut, do a little tooth mask. The malic acid in there definitely helps with that. Salicylic acid and ellagic acid are going to help you prevent hyperpigmentation on your face. So it's known to be like no blushing, it's just straight, smooth, free skin, you know, like the strawberry smooth feel that you want to get. And definitely learn about the Paul Diarco and the dandelion that's going to go inside the dough. You're going to get a few colors in there. You can notice that the dandelion greens happen to grow yellow, the flower, and the green, the leaf is green. And so that's what the powder is. It's a green leaf powder. So, you know, you get a decent amount of colors in here. Black covers them all. So I might have to go ahead and spread a little chia seed on there, get a little aloe melanin going inside of our chicken and waffles. That's right. There's melanin in a chicken and waffles. So for this recipe, I'm going to use 2 cups of spelt flour. I'm going to do 1/4 cup of coconut sugar. These powders over here are going to be great. We got the dandelion root first. I want to put a decent amount of that in there because I love as much iron as it gives you. If you may have anemia, it's really helpful because it increases your iron. And it's even known to be like a replacement for an espresso. And research has been found to be known as like an energy giver. So I'm really glad to have that in the morning. The Paul Diarco. That's right, the Paul Diarco is called the Divine Tree by the Brazilian people. La Pacho is ingredient found in here to help with pain. If you have any cancer, you might have pain. So I did 1/4 cup of that in here. You want to make sure you're taking your medicine. So I'm just kind of eyeballing cinnamon here. You're going to cinnamon to taste. I even add a little bit of baking soda. I would say like a pinch, but not really a lot. See, not much. I'm going to go ahead and add a cup of my hemp milk. So, all white, you gotta stay clean. I'm clean living with Sierra. If you have a blender, that's nice, but I like to do this dish and just keep it when you got some time to kind of stir this up and make sure that it's stirred up good. You're gonna keep adding water until it's a consistency I'm gonna show you in a minute. I'm just adding 1/4 cups at a time. I'm gonna add in some more hemp milk because I want this to be more creamy. As well, that's some blue agave. Mom, do you want a chicken and waffle?
No, thank you. How much dietary fiber is in the waffles?
8 grams per serving.
Yeah, go ahead and make one for me.
So just for the record, I had to spray my pan with some sort of oil, so I used something like this, you know, some spray. Go ahead and coat in my cake. So this is the consistency of my dough, my waffle dough. Let me go ahead and pour that in there. Chop it off. It's done. It's all done. Thank you for watching so much. We appreciate you. I'm playing with this little agave on for some syrup. Eat it with some chopsticks. Bon appetit.